You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.